just wanted to do a quick Math and Logic video check-in. So I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to be doing with Math and Logic yet. I've got some ideas. I think, well, let me tell you what ideas I've got so far. It's a very official. I've got them written down on a piece of paper. I think I'll probably factor in your current grades to some extent. So things may change certainly as you're working from home instead of working online, and even for my online students. However you're doing the course will probably be impacted somewhat by this. So I took a snapshot of your current grades. I'm going to take those into account as we look at the final things. I'm going to make the final two projects optional, I think. So we've got that logic project, and then we've got the logic gates and computer numbers project. I think I'll make those optional. They're great material. I love them. In a normal semester, we would definitely do them, and I'm going to keep them. But I think this semester is probably the right thing to do. There are a lot of applications. There are a lot of getting at that deeper understanding. And what I really need you to do this semester is just get to an understanding. Understand truth tables, understand number bases, those kinds of things. As I get homework questions or math questions, it's my intention to reply to those right away. I'll be online during the day, mornings, once in the evening for sure. I'll check my emails, and then the next morning, I am going to try to make sure I'm taking time for myself, because it would be easy to just sit at my computer and work and then reply to emails 24 hours a day. I need to take a break from that, because since I'm at home working, I need some separation between when I'm working and when I'm not working. I think I'll attempt to send out a weekly email blast with just the highlights and due dates and things you need to know. I'll also be posting those in announcements. It's my intention to only email each class as a group once a week. That's because I'm guessing you're going to get a ton of emails from everybody. If you need me, you just need to email me. You can reply to that weekly blast. You can find my email in the course or whatever, but I don't want to over email you. Let's see, what else? I'm going to try to keep your due date pattern. So for my online guys, stuff will be due at noon on Fridays. If you met like Monday and Wednesday, things will be due Monday night at midnight, Wednesday night at midnight. And I'm happy to meet with you online and collaborate, certainly if you request it. I was thinking about doing just a time where I'd be online, but given how crazy everybody's schedules probably are, I don't want to assume like from 1 to 2 p.m. you'd be there and just sit there from 1 to 2 p.m. I'd rather set up times with you either as a group or individually. So that's my intention there. I think those are the big things I have. I'll have a more organized and definitive video out by the end of the week. It's not really my intention to even post a link to this one. I'm just putting it out there for people who do subscribe and are wondering what's going on with Math and Logic. And then hopefully you'll hear from me probably at the end of the week with more specifics. If you need to get a hold of me in the meantime, email is the best way. I'll be on my email. And I'm happy to set up a synchronous meeting with you in one of our, probably in Collaborate, because that's the one the college uses. So be in touch, stay safe, and I'll talk to you again soon.